Foundation Homes Property Management Services. At Foundation Homes, our gold and platinum property management services are designed to transform your rental property into a full-fledged rental business. Now, what does that mean? Well, when you're self-managing, you're essentially juggling a second job, handling turnover, inspections, maintenance, accounting, and so much more. But when we step in, you become the CEO of your rental business. You still have full visibility and involvement in key areas like lease-ups and marketing, but you're insulated from the day-to-day tenant interactions, adding a layer of professionalism to the relationship. Now here's the best part. Our managed properties consistently outperform the market, renting properties faster and for more money. By handling direct communications, we ensure timely renewals, seamless turnovers, and smooth move-ins. And let's be honest, property management isn't our side gig, it's our expertise. That means you skip the learning curve that many self-managing housing providers struggle with, things like hiring vendors, raising rent, and understanding deductions for wear and tear. Personally, with everything on my plate, juggling multiple team members and family and personal goals, I don't even manage my own rentals. I trust my team to do it, freeing up my time and mental energy for more important things. Property management puts you in the driver's seat of your time, money, and most importantly, your life. The investment starts at just 6 to 6.5% per month in most cases, with a minimum of $300 plus the lease-up fee.